Hi everyone. We continue with subtopic steps in heterogeneous catalytic reactions, and this topic is still under topic 1. So in this subtopic you'll be looking at what happens actually when the reactions of feed material, so meaning that you're going to see in macro level or micro level of when the reactants is going to be reacted on the surface. So let's hit it. I want you to have a look at the figure on your left hand side. This and this. Please focus this first. Okay, you just have to imagine that at first that your reactants, this is a reactor, and this is where the feed is going in. And this feed reactants, the feed consists of reactants, and the reactants will going through the bed of catalyst over here. And when it's going through, there will be reaction happens because the reactants will going through the catalyst with active sites, and together with the temperature and other reaction conditions, for example pressure, etc., etc. So the reaction happens, and when the reaction happens over here, and of course the stream will going out, whereby the stream consists of reactants, products. Reactants means the unreacted one, which will be going out from this reactor. So let's look at this view of bed of catalyst at higher magnification, at more high magnification means micro level view. As for here is 1 millimeter, and then we look at further micro view level of 1 micro, and then nano view 1 nanometer. Okay, so this is the particles of the catalyst, and you can see that the area here is the reactants that going through the active sites of the surface of the catalyst. And what happens if we further look at inside? This is the surface of the catalyst, whereby the catalyst consists of porosity. Ada rongga-rongga dalam catalyst tu. So dekat sini berlakunya lebih banyak reactions, okay, dalam porosity because of the high surface area, because of the active sites. Active sites means the area that will actively change the reactants into products banyak berlaku dekat dalam porosity of this catalyst. So inilah contoh bayangannya, whereby kalau reactant A ni dia berjumpa dengan active sites of the catalyst, okay, contoh dia the warna hitam represent the active sites, so B akan terbentuk. So daripada A dia akan terbentuk B. A reactant, B adalah produk. Secara kereta lantasnya, the length of scales over here. So let's have a look at the kereta lantas of the catalyst. So it's stated here there will be a lot of active sites on the catalyst surface. And then this is the bulk field. Bulk field means the area of reactants before going through the particles, before going through the catalyst. So kemudian look at this area of blue. This is derived from the bulk fluid of reactants trying to going through the porosity of the catalyst, and when it's collide with active sites of the catalyst, the reactions happen, and the product produced, and it will going out from the porosity of the catalyst, and terhasillah product and going out from the reactor. So basically it's like that. So kalau nak dapat kat sini dia ada step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kalau tak nampak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the definition of each step is explained here, but I like to touch on this figure first, below here, the figure below here. Okay, yang ini represent this figure represent of this. A berjumpa dengan active site, so represent here this one, yang sphere bulat ni represent this one. What's happening here at the micro level or nano level. Okay, so kat sini satu. Okay, sekejap saya padam sikit. Okay, ada satu step, first step, and then second step. Okay, alamak tak jumpa pula 3 dia mana kat sini. Okay, kalau saya nak cara kat sini, so dia telah menerangkan secara layoutnya. Okay, from A from the bulk field. So we call it as external diffusion. This is the bulk layer of field, external. This is internal layer of bulk field. So for example, this one is the catalyst surface. Okay, dia ada cakap catalyst surface. So daripada A, dia akan melalui the layers of bulk fluid first. Okay, dari 1 pergi ke 2. From 2, dia akan transfer untuk pergi ke catalyst surface, which is step 3. And then dia dah berjumpa catalyst surface at step 4. So kat sini lah berlaku reaction A producing B, and from this B, it will going out. Going to the bulk fluid, which at step 5, and then from here to going through the 2 layers of bulk fluid, step 6 and step 7. So the elaboration is, number 1 is the actually diffusion of the reactants from the bulk fluid to the external surface of the catalyst palette or catalyst. Kemudian berlaku kat sini diffusion again, the reactant from the beginning of the pore through the catalyst of pores. Kemudian from the catalyst of pores to the inside of the pores, and then to intermediate until it really meet the internal catalyst surface. And then step number 3 is where the adsorption happens of A onto catalyst surface. Step 3 ni. Adsorption happens. Step number 4. Here, dia ada kat sini, tulis kat sini Reaction happens on the catalyst surface. And then step number 5, desorption happens. And then number 6, diffusion from the interior of the pore of the catalyst. It's going to be out from the to the bulk fluid. Okay, which is external of the catalyst And then step 7, further going out to the bulk fluid and then out of the reactor. So that's basically, kalau you nak fahamkan the elaboration ni, boleh tengok juga this figure ni. Okay, yang ini yang dikatakan porous, yang ini inside of the porosity, and dalam-dalam ni dah dikatakan the internal catalyst surface. Alright.